In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on the Plesk cPanel. Installing WordPress on the Plesk cPanel is quite different from any other cPanel. So if you want to learn how to install WordPress on the Plesk cPanel, keep watching. This is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So having logged into my Plesk cPanel, I go over to the left pane, then I click on WordPress. Then right here, you see all the websites where you have installed WordPress already. So I'm not installing WordPress on any of these. So I go to install. So in this pane, it will give me the opportunity to choose the domain I want to install the new website on. So I drop down that arrow here. Then I scroll to see the domain I want to install on, which is consulting.developghana.com. I click on it to select it. I don't want it to go to a subfolder, so I remove WordPress here. Now the website title, Pizza Time. This is funny, this is not the name I want to use, but I can change it after installing WordPress. So let me leave it, so I'll use it to teach you how to change your site name in WordPress. Plugin or theme set, I don't want to choose anything. Website language is English. Current version of WordPress is 5.7.1. Then WordPress administrator, the username, I want to make it webmaster. And then the password, okay, it is strong. Now the email, I change it to info@developghana.com. Database, I don't need to do anything. Maybe automatic update settings. Yes. All minor and major updates. No, I don't want to update automatically. I want to do my updates manually. Then I click on install. Installing WordPress. And this will bring me back to the list of domains I've installed WordPress on. So as and when the installation is complete, my new domain will be added here. WordPress was installed, and then installation complete. So I don't do anything, I just click on no thanks. I don't want to install plugins now. Alright, that is that. So I can click to open it from here, and we are right there. So this is the front end of my WordPress website. How do I get to the back end? So I need to log in so that I'll be able to edit my website. So I click after the .com/wp-admin, enter, and I enter my username webmaster, password, enter. So now I am at the back end of my WordPress website. So before I go to change the name of my website, I want to keep this place clean. I always want to keep things clean. So I'll uncheck all this, collapse it back. Then to change the website name, I go to settings, then general, and the site title, I enter the name of my website. Okay, maybe I can change the tagline. Development with partnership. And I scroll down, save changes. One other thing I want to do is work on permalinks. I don't want to use plain text, and I want to use post name so that my URLs will be clean. I go down, save the changes, and that is that. So this is how you can install WordPress on the Plesk cPanel and also change your site name. I hope you found value. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching and we will talk soon.